In anticipation of the reopening of primary, secondary and tertiary schools on the 1st of January 2022, the head teachers and non-teaching staff have responded positively to the COVID-19 vaccinations in Arua City. With the critical role played by the teachers in securing the future of Ugandan children, the government of Uganda included teachers among the top priority groups for the COVID-19 vaccinations and targeted to vaccinate at least 550,000 teachers and non-teaching support staff. The Principal Education Officer, Mr. Raymond Obiere, stated that they targeted to vaccinate 1,961 teachers from public schools, and 94% of this number has been vaccinated. A small number of the 18% has not been vaccinated due to the misinformation passed to the teachers concerning the vaccines. He also stated that the teachers who do not get vaccinated will not be allowed access to the schools.
Our statistics has shown that as far as the statistics concerned, one of our challenges has been because the private schools are not well organized. We've not been able to capture their data, particularly me, but our health department has captured. So if we look at what the data on teacher vaccination from the biostatistician, the teachers, a big number of our teachers have been vaccinated. And for me here, I have data from public schools. Our target was 1,961 teachers. And of this percentage, of this number, we have 84.9% that have already been vaccinated. We have a small number of 18% that have not been vaccinated. But we are working on this percentage. We found out that there were some specific schools where teachers have not been feeling comfortable because of a lot of information gap, misinformation. So the approach we have adopted is to make sure that looking at our statistics here, we are targeting those particular schools. We are going to talk with teachers. Last week we engaged 2 schools, and this week together with our health team we also want to engage others. That's as we were coming in, we received the appropriator who was coming to look for our health staff to go and vaccinate his teachers, and for me that is very positive. At least now the uptake is very good. As far as that percentage which is required for opening schools is concerned, if you look at the list from majority of my schools, many schools have already attained 100%.
The chairperson for the Uganda National Teachers Union in Arua City, Mr. Andama Philip, stated that UNATA, in liaison with the Ministry of Education and Sports, has been mobilizing and advocating for head teachers, non-teaching staff, and children aged from 18 and above to get vaccinated. And 95% of the teachers and non-teaching staff have been vaccinated.
There is already mobilization going on. Like right now we are trying to communicate to head teachers to make sure they encourage the teachers to go. We're in liaison with the education office to make sure teachers go for vaccination. And I would like to say that for us in the city, it is already done. At least 95% of the teachers are already vaccinated, with the exception of very few who still feel that once you go and vaccinate yourself, you will catch disease. See, but majority of them are already vaccinated. So as a union, we are lobbying, and we are trying to encourage the teachers to go, including even the learners who are already above 18 years. We are telling them, the parents, to encourage them to go. And the 18 years above are those who are already in tertiary institutions. So that's what we are doing as a union, both at our level, at branch level, and also at the national level.
It is uncertain that schools will be reopened in January 2022. But what is certain is that teachers and non-teaching staff's full COVID-19 vaccination is the key to reopening of schools. Reporting to you from West Nile TV, I am Okumuringa Christine.